So first I'll add the indicators, and then I'll place some entries based on this strategy. So first I will add the Keltner channel. And then I will add the MACD indicator, and RSI indicators. Now I will change the Keltner channel settings. After this I'm also going to make some changes to the MACD indicator. And only slight changes are needed in the colors of the RSI indicator. Now I will adjust the candle and expiry time settings. And here I have successfully added all the indicators. Whenever I use a strategy, I always wait for the confirmation of all the indicators to be almost complete. And almost all the confirmations have been received in this chart as well. For example, the downward cross formed in the MACD indicator here is a good selling signal, and the green line of the RSI indicator has also gone above 70, which indicates an overbought condition in the market, and this is also a good sign that the market is going down. After these two confirmations were complete, I waited a little while and then placed my entry on the third red candle here. And my first entry here has won. So I found a good chart here as well. So here when the price touched the Keltner channel's lower line and a bullish candle formed, I took the upward trade. And at that moment, I also noticed the two lower indicators. For example, the RSI's moving average line is moving towards the overbought zone, which is a signal of an uptrend. And this cross formed below the histogram in the MACD indicator is also a buying signal. The market showed a good movement in the last few seconds, and my second entry was also successful. So there is an overall uptrend in the market, but there was a reversal for a short period here, but now after touching the lower line, the market has started forming green candles again, which is a sign of the start of uptrend movement again, and along with this, the green line of the RSI indicator is indicating a strong bullish situation in the market, and when the MACD indicator crosses below the histogram in this manner, it indicates an uptrend signal. Excellent. The market showed a very good uptrend movement, and my entry here was successful again. So this time I received a signal in the downward direction. The market had been moving along the upper line for quite some time, but now it has started showing a downtrend movement by forming a red candles, and to confirm the downtrend had started, I waited a while and placed my entry on the sixth red candle. Because the first four red candles weren't very strong, it wasn't entirely clear whether the market would go down or not, so sometimes I have to wait to get more confirmation in the market. And that's great, my prediction was correct here, and my entry was successful. So here too the conditions are the same as last time, but first, let's understand a little about this fake signal. Here almost all the indicators have provided signals in the downward direction, but only one red candle has formed here, and according to the strategy, I should place my entry order only after at least a second red candle appears, so I would have avoided it. But this time, all the indicators are giving signals in the downward direction, and a strong red candle has formed, which is a good indication of the start of a strong downtrend. So here I've placed a double entry in the downward direction, and I think the market could show good movement here as well, because I've placed the entry only after receiving all the confirmations. And my entry was successful here as well. So here too both indicators pointed downwards, but the red candle wasn't very strong. Nevertheless, I placed an entry order here. After placing the entry order, the market showed an upward trend again. But here the downtrend is starting again. So this time the downtrend movement has started with strong red candles, and here both indicators are again pointing downwards. So here too only 2 entries have been successful, and the amount has been refunded for the other 2 entries. I'll wait here for a while, so I can find a good entry point. So almost all the confirmations have been received here. But here a 1-minute time frame has been set by mistake. Perhaps I added some non-OTC currency pairs somewhere, which is why the time frame changed here, and this strategy doesn't work on a 1-minute time frame. So the chances of my entry being successful here are practically 0. So my entry here has lost. Now I'll have to increase the entry amount a bit. So here when the RSI indicator started moving from overbought to oversold conditions, and the MACD indicator gave a bearish signal by making a downward crossover, and at the same time the market started forming a strong red candle after touching the upper channel, I placed a short entry here. Amazing, my entry here has been successful. Here too, a cross pattern has formed in the upward direction, which is a bullish indication. Also the green line of the RSI indicator is moving from oversold to overbought, which indicates an uptrend, and then after the market touched Keltner's lower line and started forming a strong green candle, I placed my entry here. So the strategy is quite amazing, but I have one piece of advice: you should use it on a demo account first to get an idea of how to use it.